my beautiful people, welcome to this food segment of Adomako Studios. My name is Cedric Blessing and I'm your chef for today. So today we're going to be making Zobo, which is also known as Sobolo, and is made from hibiscus leaves. So let's get right into the video.
So we dey lose pay. Before you know it's 6:30, shebi we dey lose day.
So I'll start first by washing my hands.
And you know go forget them again. Time na so, time na get money for hand.
So here we have our Zobo leaves, which is our main ingredient for today. We have our pineapple dices for flavor. We have our ginger dices for spice. We have lemon slices for garnish. We have our orange peels also for flavor, and we have our sugar as sweetener. The next thing we do now is to check for any dirt. So we go straight forward into washing of the Zobo leaves.
For me and my whole team, my eye red, Charlie me I need Vaseline.
Okay, so here we have a large pot of water. The next thing we do is to turn in our Zobo leaves.
No sauce, yeah, baby. Better put your guard first, get your hustle on, get your hustle on.
And then we pour in our pineapple dices.
I be the prayer we say every day.
And then the next thing we do is to turn in our ginger dices. And then we put in our orange peels. And then we allow to boil for about 15 minutes. Okay, so now that Zobo is boiling, the next thing for us to do is to stir. So now that our Zobo is ready, the next thing we do is to separate the leaves from the water by straining.
K on the beat.
So now that our Zobo is ready, we just stir a little bit more. And then we pour in our sugar. So yes guys, our Zobo is ready, as you all can see. But before I continue, this is good. So guys, thank you for watching. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. So see you again on Adomako Studios. Bye.
Lips, life no be concrete, using bricks. Charlie nothing be simple like a voodoo trick. Making all hay while it shines bright. Every day be chance if I act right. Vision no be vision if you don't right. What's a slow flow to a long pipe? See, some good they hate you. Others want credentials. Patience a vet, you miss the potential. Make you know the rush and you miss your essentials. Big bro told me, full of quintessentials. They all wait till you're gone, then they slander you. Praying that you never make it till it's overdue. Gossip with your friends about another crew. Coalition up the willow like it's Waterloo.